In the next 12 hours, I think we'll see the radar look a lot different, and it'll look different from what we saw this morning. If you walked outside, smelled the smoke, we had a lot of smoke and haze in the air this morning underneath a temperature inversion that basically just traps a lot of pollution beneath that. That's what we had going on this morning, and you can see as we roll our time-lapse camera here, we've started to see conditions clear up, at least that smoke and haze from the morning, but now that's being replaced with cloud cover that's moving in this afternoon ahead of our next storm system. We're looking at a lot more clouds down into southern Iowa. This is from the Lamoni Sky Cam. Temperatures this afternoon are warming up into the mid and upper 60s, where we've had more cloud cover today. Temperatures are a little cooler out in our western counties, but those southeast winds are bringing in that warmer air, and eventually the moisture will follow as well to increase our rain chances. But through 5 p.m., just expect increasing clouds as we peak in the upper 60s to lower 70s, and then a few showers after sunset this evening. This is a look at the storm system we're watching right now. This area of low pressure organizing over central Kansas will start to lift our way to the northeast. We're going to watch the position of that warm front very closely over eastern Kansas into northern Missouri, because it's possible some severe thunderstorms could form in the parts of northeast Kansas and northwest Missouri. That's where the higher risk zone is for today. Here in the central Iowa, though, I don't think we get too far into that unstable air, so at best a marginal to slight risk of severe weather later on this evening and into tonight over our far southern counties down toward the Iowa-Missouri border, where we could see some small hail and some of those storms. Here's a look at how the timing evolves with this. Again, expect the clouds to continue to increase throughout the afternoon. This model showing a few echoes out to the west that may be a little bit of rain that may be evaporating into the dry air, but these will be the showers and thunderstorms we watch closer to that 8 to 9 p.m. hour, beginning along the Highway 2 corridor and then spreading northeast overnight. I do think between roughly 9 p.m. and 3 a.m. it's possible some of those storms could produce some hail over our far southern counties from Lamoni over toward Corydon, Centerville, and Bloomfield, but north of that, just general showers and thunderstorms. Tomorrow morning, breaks of rain expected, kind of intermittent waves of rain will continue throughout the day. I think our southern counties will get dry slotted through the early to mid-afternoon, but more light to moderate rain from the Des Moines metro and then points off to the north, and then we'll start to see that system exit. Skies will clear out late tomorrow night and into Friday morning. It'll be a breezy and cooler day tomorrow. Expect winds out of the northeast at around 15 to 20 miles per hour with locally higher gusts. A look at how much rain may occur. We'll go up to the north here, where we may see around a ½ inch to 3/4 of an inch along the Highway 20 corridor. Far northern Iowa, you've missed out on the rain a lot recently. Unfortunately, you're going to miss out on this next big event. Here in the metro area, around 1/4 to 1/2 inch, and then where we expect some of those heavier thunderstorms, a ½ inch to near 2 inches over parts of southern Iowa. So once we get rid of the rain, again, cooler conditions for tomorrow, a high of 56. The same on Friday, except with more sun. A second and stronger cold front will arrive Saturday into Sunday. That'll drop us back into the 40s by early next week.